Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about three secrets, three golden rules of being more attentive as a student. Yes, so if you watched my last video where I talked about three secrets of being a great student, so one of the secret was being attentive. And today's video is all about being attentive, how to be more attentive in the classroom or at home while studying. So let's get on with it. Rule number one is prepare. So before you sit down, you go to the classroom, or before you sit down to do your homework, or before you sit down to study, revise anything, the first thing you have to do is you research about the topic that is going to be taught. So for example, tomorrow if in class, suppose say in the science class, tomorrow the teacher is going to teach you something about atmosphere, or tomorrow in the math class the teacher is going to teach you about addition and subtraction. So what you have to do is a day prior at night before going to bed, just take out 5 minutes and just read through the topic just to get an idea of what the topic is about. Don't try to remember or forcefully understand if you're not getting it right away. Just read through it. Why it will help is next day in the class when you go and when the teacher is speaking, you will be able to relate to it, and hence your attention will be more active. You will be more active in the class and more attentive in the class. So that is how it will help you. Second is let go of the distractions that are around you, especially your mobile phone. Yes, nowadays children are very used to mobile phone, especially when they go to tuition, or when they are studying at home. In school, obviously it is not allowed. That's a plus point. But yes, in tuitions or when you study at home, please do away with your mobile. Keep it on silent. Keep it the screen facing downwards. How that will help is your entire focus will be on the study, and actually you will finish your studies or finish your revision in a lesser amount of time, and you will retain more information. So do away with the distractions when you are sitting to study. You have to prepare that kind of an environment if you want to study effectively and be more attentive. The third thing is set a goal. Set a small goal. It can be as small and as simple as, for example, suppose today I studied atmosphere in my science class. My goal can be as simple as when I go to my home, before sleeping, I'll just take out 10 minutes wherein I'll sit on a chair, I'll close my eyes and I'll try to recollect whatever I've learned about atmosphere from the teacher today. It's as simple as that. When you do that, it reinstills all the information in your brain. It reminds your brain that this is what I've learned and this is what I have to retain. And you tend to retain this information for a longer period of time, even if you don't revise it every day. Trust me, that happens. That's the trick of your brain. Coming to the second golden rule, apply. Now apply what? Apply your attentiveness, apply a few basic steps that I am going to share with you in order to be more attentive. First is make an eye contact with the teacher. Whenever you are in a classroom or in a tuition, look at the teacher and try to learn and try to listen from them what they are teaching. Listen first, write later. Yeah. Most of the students are used to taking notes while the teacher is speaking. So what happens is your attention is not on what she is teaching. Hence you tend to understand a little less. इसलिए आपको tuitions लगते हैं. Don't do that. If you want to avoid going to tuitions, avoid doing the same thing double. Be attentive in class. Listen to the teacher first and then take your notes down. Because what happens when you listen, you tend to understand more. And then when you're taking notes, you're not just writing down what the teacher is saying. You're actually writing down the points that you understood. And this also makes you realize what you have missed out or what you have not understood. In that case, ask questions. Do not shy away from asking questions to your teacher. It will only help you understand the topic better, and it will only help you be more efficient in that topic. How it will help you is when you ask questions, you tend to learn a lot of information that either you might have missed or either you are not able to make sense of. And a teacher will always appreciate when a student asks them questions, because they know that the intention is to learn the subject. So they will always help you. Also, while you're studying, what I recommend is study in slots. Do not sit for 2-3 hours at a stretch and study, or 3-4 hours like we normally do while sitting for homework. मम्मी ने बोला 2 घंटा बैठ के पढ़ाई करना है, ये याद करो, होमवर्क करो, ये सब, एंड मैं 2 घंटा बैठूंगा, फिर मैं प्ले स्टेशन खेलने जाऊंगा या आई विल वॉच अ टीवी. नो, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. I'll tell you why. There's a very, very scientific reason behind it. It is called the primacy and recency effect. What is this? So I'll tell you. Primacy and recency effect says that whenever a student sits to study, their attention span is at the peak in the first 20 minutes and the last 10 minutes. And this is where whatever the student reads or studies or listens, they tend to retain more than 90% of the information in their brain in these time slots. Now what are these time slots? So the primacy effect says the first 20 minutes are the golden minutes and the recency effect says the last 10 minutes are the golden minutes. मतलब आप चाहे 2 घंटे पढ़ो, चाहे 3 घंटे पढ़ो, चाहे आधा घंटा पढ़ो, you tend to retain information which you study or read or listen in the first 20 minutes and the last 10 minutes. So now that is why I recommend do a slotted kind of a study. Divide your study slots. If you want to study for 3 hours, don't study at for 3 hours at a stretch. Divide it in groups of 40 or 45 minutes. That way you tend to retain more information of what you are learning and studying than you would in a 3-hour stretch period. Try this and trust me, you will see the difference. Third and most important golden rule is rejuvenate. Yes. So when you are taking breaks, take breaks of about 5 to 7 minutes, maximum of 10 minutes, not more than that. Don't take 1 or 2 hours break, which it does not help. Take a 5 to 7 minutes break, that is ideal. In the break, when you get up, do 3 things. Firstly, drink a glass of water. It really helps because आप जब पढ़ते हो, you're mentally draining your brain, you're using your brain energy a lot, and that tends to soak up a lot of hydration from your body. So पानी पियो, you'll instantly feel a boost up, instantly feel energetic. Eat a handful of nuts or almonds, or drink a small glass of milk. Don't eat very heavily, just a pinch of it, a handful of peanuts or something like that. It really helps bring your energy back. And the third thing that you can do is just sit, close your eyes and take 3 to 5 deep breaths in and out. And when you open your eyes after the break, when you sit to study, I assure you, you will be 100% attentive like a hawk. Your focus will be as good as it was when you started studying or when you woke up in the morning. So please do this, and if you follow these 3 golden rules, I assure you, you will be more attentive, and that in turn will help you study better and improve your performance as a student. So thank you for watching the video. I'll mention the link of my earlier video down in the description. If you've liked my video, please like and share my video with all your friends, and please subscribe to my channel because I'll be making a series of videos to how to improve the efficiency of a student via various topics. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.